Let's grow a pumpkin to talk about. Pumpkin to talk about. Backyard of your house. Pumpkin to talk about. Growing Brussels sprouts. Growing big. Pumpkin to talk about.
It's Albuquerque gardening. My name is Al. Today is July, I was about to say 35th. No, today's July 25th. Day 35. We got some orange rising out of the leaves. So, update. A couple of these older leaves are dying off. Kind of cleaned up this area down here a little bit more. Around the cranium. Nothing crazy in the size, so that's cool. We have a more or less regular vine creating a big pumpkin. Yeah, a little more wind damage. That boy fell over a couple weeks back, still doing something. I just don't want to remove it. Walking through. I did overfeed a little bit. I think not even overfeed, it was just the nutrients coming out of the hose end sprayer were a little too strong. Easy. Not good left-hand thrower. But yeah, so a little bit of burning on some leaves, but nothing that was detrimental. I applied some more Eagle 20 a couple days back. Pop on over here. My lord. There's my soda can for scale, more or less. I know it's better to have it up there, but I don't want to climb back in there just now. We'll do that in a minute. So today we're looking at, like I said, day 35, and I just got done measuring, and today's estimated weight is 444 pounds, 444.1. I measured twice because it didn't seem quite that right, but you know, I guess that's where we're at right now on the estimations. I did notice a couple days back we were dipping down back to like 20 pounds a day. So I just upped the feeding again, corrected the first night with a feeding of 15 gallons worth of nutrients for Master Blend, a whole bunch of CalMag, added molasses, added some HydroGuard, some of the Neptune's Harvest seaweed and fish, and followed that up the next day with 10 gallons worth of Master Blend nutrients. Not full, calculation strength or anything. I've been holding back on the calcium nitrate portion. On that first feeding, I did CalMag instead of the Epsom salts with the Master Blend, and then the following day I did 10 gallons worth of nutrients mixed up, and I did include the Epsom salts and I think 6 grams total of calcium nitrate, when it wants you to use about 24 grams in the recipe. So cut down pretty significantly on that, just trying to keep focusing on the pumpkin growth. There are a couple little vines starting to come up. I need to get in here and trim that one down, get rid of it so it's not wasting our energy and time. I have noticed a little bit earlier, not earlier, but back down the plant, a couple more things are popping up on the insides, and if I can allow it down here, if I can find any, I'll probably, there's one, a vine, probably end up snaking it back through this way so we can take up some space back where the older stuff is. Yeah, not a whole lot of actual maintenance going on, spraying basically any night where there's a couple hot days. More hot days, I turn on the misting system. We had a few days where it was a little bit cooler out, didn't quite need it, and so now we're back to mid 90s. A couple days going to be 98, 99, possibly reaching into the hundreds again. So I'll be incorporating that mist once again. This damn ball. Easy. There you go. Yeah, So overall happy with what's going on. 444 pounds, day 35, 966 Ingle. I don't think I mentioned the name. I did give it a name. I've been using the name on the Facebook and Instagram posts at Citrus in Your Eye if you want to follow me. But the name of the fruit, Baby Lucas Vintonio. That's right, this is Baby Lucas. And yeah, I mean, I guess we can get in close. I can take off my hat so I can get in close. Get a little bit of a scale size. Not scale, you know what I mean? Can for scale. There you go. Zoom out. And that's more or less where we're at. Zoom back in, get some detail. Love the color coming through. The striping colors. Enjoying that. So yeah, I think at this point I'm going to continue with feeding this thing between 10 to 15 gallons worth of the Master Blend nutrients daily. Probably stick with 10 right now, but since we saw a little bit of an uptick in growth over the last few days, going from 20 pounds to 28 to 38 almost, no, 34, yeah, so we're up to 34 pounds in the last 24 hours, I think. So I guess I'm going to keep on with the 10 to 15 gallons worth, adding CalMag, rotate between that and the Epsom salt daily with that mix. More molasses, more biologicals, all that stuff. I do want to show where I've accidentally marked it up. Right along here. There's a bit of a mark. I was wearing a long sleeve shirt yesterday while trying to get a circumference measurement. I leaned on the pumpkin and I slid, and my button kind of left a little bit of a mark in there. Lesson learned, right? Probably another 5 or 6 days, and I'll give this plant a drench of imidacloprid. I think more just, spray it on the leaves to the point of dripping. I think I'll go that route. But yeah, so that's kind of all I got for you this week. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. And yeah, thank you.